there, welcome to our channel Login Health again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to upload your videos on your device into TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now let's open up our TikTok app first. Let's go to our record option over here, which is at the middle bottom of our screen. Just tap on the record, and after that you can see the upload button on the bottom right corner of your phone, just above the templates option. Tap on the upload, and okay, you introducing 10 minutes video. Now we can upload videos up to 10 minutes in TikTok. Let's tap okay, and after you dive into your options, you can upload any video you want. So I'll be uploading the video with 11 seconds. Let's tap there and let's hit next, and it's been checking 11.4 seconds of videos selected. Let's tap next and let the processing of videos be completed. It will take about 2 seconds, I guess. And let's see there, guys, our video has been successfully uploaded in TikTok. This is how you upload a video or picture from your device into TikTok directly. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, guys, but don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. And thank you for supporting. Peace.